This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Sylvia from Form Prints. Welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Make sure to check out my channel by clicking on the link in the description below. Hope you enjoy your video.
Yeah, check that intro out. Listen, you want us to showcase your channel free of charge? Just check out the description below and click that link for the rules and regulations. All right, guys and girls, check it out. Today, we got a 2003 Lincoln Navigator, and the customer's complaint is that she called up, said, Tim, the right front is dragging to the ground, hitting the ground. Felt like the wheel is scraping. So we're about to check that out. She had somebody look at it. They told her it was probably the air shocks. You know, a lot of Lincolns, some Fords and all, they have the instead of shocks, they have air shocks, and they're like big bags, air bags actually. So, but I don't think this one has it in the front. But anyway, we're gonna check that out. Let's do a walk around and see what we got. All right, let's do that right now. Ain't no we'll be back. Let's do that right now. All right. So, in fact, let me go. Gotta change the battery. Right back. All right, gotta change the battery. It's a nice little Lincoln. There it is, right there. Look at it. Dang. All right, let's go to the other side. That looks good. It's very important, guys. This is number one thing. If you get wheels like this on your car, it look good. But to do this properly, you have to beef up your suspension, because that puts a lot of wear and tear, a lot of pressure on your front end components. So you should definitely be getting it beefed up. All right, and the backs look good. Let's go around and scrape it to the side. That one looks good. So we got a problem right over here. Let's see if we can see inside the wheel. I can actually see the coil spring right there. So dang it, boy, there's no room between here. You know, let's get us a jack and jack up this side and see what the heck is going on. We'll be right back. All right, got us some cardboard to lay down because I don't feel like getting dirty. And let's jack this up. Now, very important, when you jack up a vehicle, you make sure you try to get on the frame of it. Don't try to get on the body. Don't try to get on the unibody. You can see right there, I'm on the frame of the vehicle. And you gotta be very careful with this, because right now we're on the grass. So let's see what we got here. I got that thing up, and that tie didn't even leave the ground yet. You know what? Dang it, we're going really high. And that tire still didn't leave the ground. Holy cow, wait a minute. What the heck is that? Why is the coil spring? Let me go get a light. Be right back. All right, guys, I got a light and I jacked this up. Check that out. I actually, holy cow, wait a minute. Oh man, the whole strut and everything is busted out of there. Let's get your cardboard for a minute. Let's take a look up underneath. All right. Give me. All right, let's look right here. Oh, the spring actually broke away from the strut, and it's just dropping. Let me see if I can set this up and point it out to you. All right, dang it, what the heck is this? Water above my eye. All right. This spring is not supposed to be this low. It should be mounted further up. I mean, even though the strut's still messed up and all. Better yet, I can show you better by going to the other side and showing you how that side look. So let's move over here. There we go. Look at that strut. See how the spring is way up there. So whatever's holding that spring in, this little metal piece right here. Let me see if I can. Okay. There's a little metal piece right there, a ring, where that coil spring sets on and keeps that car up in the air. And you need all the coil over there. It's way down there. So that's busted. We're gonna definitely need a strut assembly I'm gonna get. You know, that come with the, instead of just getting the strut, you're gonna get a strut assembly. Hopefully we can get that. That comes with the spring and all. You definitely wanna do that. And you definitely wanna try to get a heavy duty one. Let's go back over to this side. Because of this setup. Because of these wheels. You see what I mean? See how it's way down there? Yeah, so we got, oh well. Time to go break the news. Be right back.
Okay, so that's what happened with this 2003 Lincoln Navigator. The strut, I don't know. The spring, the strut broke.
You know.
Everything broke. Because got these big wheels on there and you're supposed to put in more heavy duty suspension and blah 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 blah. Timmy explained everything to you.
That's right. Well, listen.
So if you have any comments or questions, you can post them below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.